Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be understanding how to do multiplication word problems, why we do multiplication in certain word problems and how to solve those problems. So let's begin with the video. I have a question for you in front of you. You can see, you can read the question. A box of chocolates has 46 chocolates, and how many chocolates will be there in 16 boxes? It is such a basic question. In this question, first of all, whenever you see any word problem, whether it is a multiplication, addition, doesn't matter, you have to see the word problem and just translate it into your own language. Try to understand it in a better way for yourself. Just translate. If Hindi is comfortable to you, you just comfortably translate the question into Hindi in your mind. So what does the question says? A box of chocolates has 46 chocolates. There is a box which contains 46 chocolates in it. Now you have to find if there are similar boxes, 16 similar boxes of same type which are having 46 chocolates. Each box is having 46 chocolates. Then how many total chocolates will be there in all the 16 boxes? This is what the question means. So first we have to always understand the question properly. Always, agar even if you did not understand the question, always try to read it 4 to 5 times. You will definitely understand it. Now let's begin with why to do multiplication in this question, that why we have to do multiplication. First I will explain you why, then I will explain you how, like how we have to solve such questions. So let's begin. First of all, what I am going to do is I will underline certain keywords we have to look for. Like first I will ask me one question, that in this question what is given to me. So in this question I have a box which is given to me, and in that box I have 46 chocolate. Means a box is given to me, and this box I will be having 46 chocolates. Okay, and I will ask a second question to myself, that what I need to find in the question. I need to find that if there are 16 same kind of boxes, then how many chocolates, kitni chocolates will be there in those total 16 boxes. So if I draw it in your front of you, the 16 boxes of chocolates. First of all, I was given 46 chocolates wala one box, so I drew that in front of you. So now I have to find about the 16 boxes, so I am drawing 16 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16, and each box is having 46 chocolates. Every box is having 46 chocolates. You have to count the number of total chocolates in all the box together. So now for calculating all the chocolates, it is very basic concept that you have to add all the chocolates. You will add these 46 16 times. You will add this 46 plus 46 plus 46. So you will get all the number of chocolates. You have to add 46 16 times. But adding this 46 16 times will be a very time taking process. Also your answer may come out to be wrong, because there can be some mistakes in doing so long additions. So what we opt is, we opt for multiplication. Why multiplication? Because we know that multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. When we repeatedly add a same number many number of times, we use multiplication rather than addition. Why? For example, if this 46 is repeatedly added 16 times, we can say we can multiply 46 into 16. Why I have multiplied it with 16? Because it is added 16 times. If I take a small example, if you don't understand this, I will take a small example in front of you here. If for example I have this number 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you just add this number, you will get 8. But because it is a repeated addition, the same number is added 4 times, so I can also write it like this, 2 multiplied by 4, which is also again 8. So we can always say that multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. So now this is the concept of multiplication. This is why we multiply. Okay, next I am going to tell you how to solve such questions, how to form the statements. We need to form the statements in such word problems always. So how do we make the statements? This is I am going to tell you now. First of all, I told you that you have to understand the question. Okay, fine. After understanding the question, I told you second step was you have to ask yourself that what is given to me in the question. So I said there was one box which has 46 chocolate, this was given to me. Okay, fine. Also, what you have to ask yourself, what is this 46 chocolates? What is this? Is it showing me cost of something? Is it showing me a price of something? Is it showing me some time? Is it representing some number? So here chocolates, this 46 chocolates is representing a number. So when it is representing a number, we will start our statement with number of, and rest of the statement you have to take from the question itself. You don't have to write any other words, you just have to take the rest of the statement from the statement itself, question itself. So number of chocolates a box contains, number of chocolates a box has भी लिख सकते हो आप, box contains. See, your statement can differ from mine, but always remember your statement should give a meaning. It should be a meaningful sentence. It should be a meaningful statement. Also remember one more thing, that while making statements you don't have to bring the words, use the words like how many, yeah, what will. You don't have to use the words which ask question. You are not asking question in your answer. You are writing an answer. You are doing a solution. So you don't have to write the questions. You don't have to ask the questions in statements. So number of chocolates a box contains is equals to 46. Then you will write, next question you will ask yourself is what you need to find in the question. You have to find about the 16 boxes. So you will write, the second statement is mostly similar to the first statement. You just have to change the certain words in the second statements. Rest of it is same, like number of chocolates a box की जगह you will put 16 boxes contains. Now here you will write 46 multiplied by 16. I have already told you why we are multiplying, because this 46 is added 16 times. We will not add, balki we will multiply. And after this you will show it by multiplying. You will show your multiplication like this. 6 6 are 36, 3 is carried over to 4, 6 4s are 24, plus 3 is 27. You will put 1 0 here, 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4, and then you will add these two rows, 6 13 plus 1 7. So the answer will come out to be 736. If you haven't understood the multiplication I have done, so you can see my previous videos. I have already shown how to do multiplication in those videos, so you will understand from there. Okay, so I think you have understood understood the video and the concept properly. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. You can like, share and subscribe this video. Bye everyone.